Hello everyone, we have a very simple radical equation here to solve, which is x plus the square root of negative x equal to 2 divided by 9. But I would like to ask you this simple question. Which approach, which method do you think is best for solving this particular type of problem? For me, I think substitution is the best. Why? Because if you square both sides in order to eliminate square root, you will end up getting another square root. Yes. Though you can make the whole of this to be the subject by taking x to the other side and square. But I think substitution is the best. Substitution, let the whole of this be equal to something. So let u be equal to the square root of this negative x. So that the moment you square both sides, you have u squared equal to just negative x. But we have an x here. Since we are changing this one to be in terms of u, definitely this one has to be in terms of u. And we have x minus x here. Just multiply both sides by that negative. You have minus u squared to be what? X. Yes, and now we have everything we need. So for x, we're going to replace it with minus u squared plus the whole of this, remember, is u, right? And the right hand side is 2 over 9. Let's multiply every single term by minus 9 for a reason. If I multiply this by minus 9, it is going to become plus 9u squared. If I multiply this by minus 9, it becomes minus 9u. If I multiply this by minus 9, the 9 will cancel, the minus will affect the 2. So you have minus 2. But you can bring it inside, so it becomes positive 2. The right hand side will be 0, right? Yes, so this is our equation, which is quadratic. Let's see whether it is factorable. If I take 9 and multiply by the constant, this is going to give us 18. But I need two numbers that I can multiply together to get positive 18 and add to negative 9. The numbers are negative 6 and negative 3. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18, and negative 6 plus negative 3 will give us negative 9. And how do we factorize? This is going to be the first one, minus 6. But remember, we have a leading coefficient, divide by that. Multiplied by the second one, which is 3, negative 3, divide by 9, which is what? Equal to 0. So it implies either this is 0 or this is 0. So it is x minus, this to the simplest form, I think 3 can divide 2 over 3, right? 2 over 3 equal to 0, or x minus 1 over 3, right? To the simplest form, equal to 0. So the two solutions are x equal to, oh my god, remember I was using u, so it is supposed to be u. This is u. So u is what? 2 over 3, or u equals 1 over 3. But remember, we are looking for x, not u. So let's find x. X is negative u squared. X is equal to negative u squared. So the first value of u is 2 over 3. So we have x equal to negative 2 over 3 squared. 2 over 3 squared implies 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9. So this is 4 over 9. So x is equal to negative 4 divided by 9. Then the second x is equal to negative 1 over 3 squared, which implies what? X equal to negative 1 over 9. These are the two solutions. But test in the main equation to see whether this is true. This is your assignment. Test this and this into the main equation to see whether the two solutions will satisfy or not.